that little ham. Look at that. Laying in his bed with a little foot up in the air. Oh, such a precious baby. Look at that. Spread out, little nugget. Just spread out. What? Are you throwing a fit because you're hungry? Oh, poor Butters. He never gets food. You know that? Butters. Butters! He got a snack. He went potty and now he was down there crying. So, that means he wants to play. What? Ah! Ah! Oh my god! You mean business, huh? You probably yucky butt too. You're just in the litter pan. Why do you insist on like completely having your butt on me like this? Oh my god. Yes. Are you happy, young man? He has wiped his butt all over me. My leg, all different ways. When he wants attention, he wants attention. What? So cute. Butters. Butters. No, you sweet boy. Butters. Oh. Butters, it's the box of happy. Be happy. Here. Come on. Come on. Oh, he has to have a snack. The seeing of the cup of the mug made him think of breakfast, and that he needs his second breakfast. The void of his tummy can never be filled. Yeah, you. Can we wait for the bean? Anytime now. This is what it's like to film with a cat. Yeah. You do what you want when you want. Now he's gonna go have a drink. Don't lay down. We still have one more thing in here. Butters, come on. Come on. You want a treat? Fine. Here it comes, finally! Uh-oh. Oh. Stay there. Butters, come on, baby. Fine. Why must you always go out of frame and lay down? Why? Oh, he's such a turd. We are going to take down. We're going to take down the Christmas decorations. I didn't put too much up this year, so this shouldn't be too much of a pain in the ass. And he wants to chew the plastic. Stop! This is why we can't have nice things. No. You can't tell me what to do. Hey! No, stop. Just so you know, don't stick your children in tubs and pack them away. He was just pawing at the tub to get to the bows. So turn that on. What are you doing? Beep beep.